Who is the greatest? Sino ang pinakadakila? Ito yung tanong ng mga disciples kay Jesus sa Matthew 18 verse 1. The disciples were thinking about position, thinking about rank, status. Pero nung sumagot si Jesus, hindi siya bumanggit ng tanyag na leader o scholar. Kundi pinalapit niya ang isang maliit na bata at kanyang sinabi, "Unless you are converted and become like little children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." Matthew 18 verse 3. The disciples were seeking greatness. Pero sabi ni Jesus, you wanted to be great, be converted and childlike. Jesus flipped the entire value system upside down. Sabi niya, whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest. Verse 4. Nakakagulat ang sagot na ito sa mga disciples. Because the disciples expected a hierarchy, but Jesus pointed them to humility. Jesus redefined greatness, not by climbing up, but by bowing down. Iba ang pamantayan ng Diyos sa pamantayan ng mundo. Hindi hinahanap ng Diyos ang pinakamatalino. Hindi hinahanap ng Diyos ang pinakamagaling, pinakatalentado, o pinakatanyag. Hinahanap ng Diyos ang pinakamapagpakumbaba.